Hello friends, in the last session we had started talking about a very famous poem written by Robert Burns, Red Red Rose. Before going to start today's session, let us recap. As we have seen that Robert Burns was born in Ayrshire, Scotland. He was the Scottish poet. In the last segment we have seen that the poem begins with the poet promises undying love to his beloved. He compares his love to a rose that has just bloomed. Again, he goes on comparing his love. He compared his love with the sweet melody. And now, let us begin with the next lines. These lines: as fair art thou, my bonny lass, so deep in love am I. Here the speaker says he is as deep in love as the bonny lass. Once again, a word that once upon a time meant pretty. The bonny lass means pretty, beautiful, or attractive. Really, this is a fancy pants way of saying something that's not so fancy pants at all. Imagine a really hot girl or a guy, and now imagine that you love that person as much as he or she is so hot. Boni, by the way, is a word that means beautiful or pretty, just like a fair. It is for the most part a Scottish dialect word, as in lass, which just refers to a girl, although sometimes it means something like sweetheart. So, this guy is one sweet talker. In the next lines, and I will love, look at the spelling Luve. I will love thee still, my dear, till the seas gang dry. Here, the speaker says he will love his bonny lass, pretty girl, fair girl, until all the seas gang dry. Dry means there would be no drop of water. The word is a shortened form of all. This elision, the removal of letters from the word, is very common in Scott English. That means the form of English spoken in Scotland. But you will see it in regular English poems too. Again, there is a word gang. Gang doesn't refer to a group of people. It is an old word that means go or walk. Say it to yourself. Doesn't it kind of sound like gone or going? The seas will probably never gang dry. Am I right? So, seas will never become a dropless. So, the speaker seems to be saying that he will love his beloved forever, or at last, or at least until the apocalypse. It means till the end. Okay, so in the next lecture we will go on the next four lines. Thank you.